You don't know me, but I know you. If you're listening to this, you've met your fate. I have a question for you. What is the price of life? Is one human life worth more than another? All your life you've been taking shortcuts and cheating people, misleading those around you by lying, deceiving, and stealing. Many people have suffered at the mercy of your hands. Tell me, what do you see when you look into the mirror? Now you must pay for the ugliness in your soul. Today you will be tested on your moral judgment. Your fate will be at the mercy of your own hands. Live or die, make your choice. Let the games begin.